The world of dog breeding is ever evolving, with new hybrid and designer breeds emerging in recent years. These modern dogs combine the best traits of their parent breeds, making them unique, adorable, and sometimes even perfect for specific lifestyles. Let's explore 10 new dog breeds that have been created recently. 1. Pomsky. The Pomsky is a cross between a Pomeranian and a Siberian Husky. This breed combines the fluffy coat of a Pomeranian with the striking eyes and markings of a Husky. Pomskys are playful, intelligent, and perfect for people looking for a smaller version of a Husky. Fun fact: despite their small size, Pomskys can have big personalities just like their Husky parent. 2. Cavapoo. The Cavapoo, a mix of a Cavalier King Charles Spaniel and a Poodle, is gaining popularity for its friendly and affectionate nature. With their hypoallergenic coats and playful demeanor, they make excellent companions for families and singles alike. Fun fact: Cavapoos are known for their adaptability and can thrive in both apartments and larger homes. 3. Chorky. The Chorky is a designer breed created by crossing a Chihuahua and a Yorkshire Terrier. These tiny, energetic dogs are full of spunk and love attention. They're perfect for people who want a loyal lapdog with a feisty side. Fun fact: Chorkies are so small that they can often fit in a purse or bag. 4. Golden Doodle. Golden Doodle, a mix of a golden retriever and a poodle, is one of the most popular designer breeds today. Known for their intelligence, friendliness, and low-shedding coats, they're perfect for active families. Fun fact: Golden Doodles come in various sizes, from miniature to standard, depending on the size of the poodle parent. 5. Morkie. The Morkie is a charming crossbreed between a Maltese and a Yorkshire Terrier. These tiny, fluffy dogs are ideal for people who want a loving, energetic companion. Morkies are incredibly loyal and love being the center of attention. Fun fact: despite their small size, Morkies can have surprising bursts of energy and love to play. 6. Sheepadoodle. The Sheepadoodle is a mix of an Old English sheepdog and a poodle. These gentle giants are known for their fluffy coats, intelligence, and calm temperament. They are perfect for families and are often used as therapy dogs. Fun fact: Sheepadoodles often have the black and white, panda-like, coloring of the Old English sheepdog. 7. Sheepoo. The Sheepoo is a cross between a Shih Tzu and a Poodle. These small, affectionate dogs are great for those who want a low-maintenance pet with a playful personality. Their hypoallergenic coats make them a popular choice for allergy sufferers. Fun fact: Sheepoos are known for their adorable teddy bear-like appearance. 8. Puggle. Of a pug and a beagle, is a relatively new breed that has gained popularity for its friendly and social nature. Puggles are great with kids and other pets, making them wonderful family dogs. Fun fact: Puggles often inherit the beagle's love for sniffing, so they enjoy exploring during walks. 9. Aussie Doodle. The Aussie Doodle, a mix of an Australian Shepherd and a Poodle, is a highly intelligent and active breed. They're perfect for active families or individuals who enjoy outdoor activities. Their coats are often wavy or curly, and they're known for their striking colors. Fun fact: Aussie Doodles are often called the Einstein of dogs, due to their incredible intelligence. 10. Labradoodle. The Labradoodle, a cross between a Labrador Retriever and a Poodle, was originally bred to be a hypoallergenic guide dog. Today, they're beloved for their friendly nature, intelligence, and versatility. They are great companions for families and individuals alike. Fun fact: Labradoodles are one of the first widely recognized designer dog breeds, inspiring the creation of many others. These newly created dog breeds are not only adorable but also showcase how breeding can bring out the best traits of parent breeds. Each of these modern dogs has its own unique personality and charm, making them perfect companions for various lifestyles. Which of these breeds is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.